How to enable calendar view in Trello. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can enable calendar view in Trello. Now, in Trello, you must notice that there are different kind of views, all right? There's the grid view and there's also the calendar view and other kinds of view. But for you to be able to enable calendar view in Trello, we have to have a feature. Yeah, the enabling calendar view in Trello is a feature actually, and this feature is available to only premium and enterprise customers. All right, and when you have this feature, it will allow you to view the dates from cards and checklists on a single board. So if you are not using a premium or an enterprise workspace, you would not be able to do this. So the first thing to do is to upgrade to the premium page for you to be able to use it. And how do you upgrade? Move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu. Scroll down, then you will see try Trello Premium start free trial. Click on it, and then after the free trial, you'll be asked to pay. And then once you've paid, the next step is to go to the left side of the screen and click on views. Okay, so once you click on views, you can see you'll be brought to a page where you see workspace views. You can see table view, and then you can see calendar view. So just select calendar view, and then at the lower part of the screen, you can see the option premium workspace can combine boards into table and calendar to filter, sort, and get more things done. And then by upgrading, you will see further option or further um steps to take in order for you to view your accounts using this particular view. All right, so this is it. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.